Hi guys, I'm Luis.
And I'm Monika. Welcome to Molo's Vlog.
So today we are in Kruje, Albania.
In another castle.
Well, actually, we haven't arrived to the castle yet. However, this is a very old city. You can see how high we are. We're on top of the mountain. You can see the mosque, which is right behind there. You see the mountain is right there. This is a very, very high city, which is amazing. You can see how the decoration and all the streets made out of stone they are. We're gonna take this route, and guess what? We're gonna go right there to the castle.
This is a very traditional country with very traditional houses. This is how the houses used to look back in the day. For me, it's something so beautiful. And it's my second time in the city, but it's the first time for me to walk this way.
Yeah, today we come with my Viera, Monika's mom. So it's the first time for her, and it's the first time for me here in this amazing city. You can see the castle looks so amazing. And if I'm not mistaken, was that Skanderbeg Castle?
Yes, that's where they waited for him to come when he came from Turkey.
Okay, so well, just to give you a background, the story, Skanderbeg is the national hero here in Albania, and that was his castle. And yeah, today we're going there. So please join us to see this amazing trip. Welcome to Kruje, a city that has seen empires rise and fall and has stood the test of time. Located in the heart of Albania, this city is rich in history and full of stories waiting to be told. From the mighty castle that sits atop of the mountain to the bustling bazaar below, Kruje is a city where the past meets the present in a beautiful and epic way. Get ready to be swept away by the breathtaking views, the rich culture, and the warm hospitality that makes the city so special. This is a journey you won't soon forget, so let's begin our epic adventure in Kruje.
So those rugs, they are very traditional. They are all handmade, and there used to be one in every house in Albania, and I think it's like a shame that we don't keep those tradition anymore. For me, it's so nice. I have one at my grandma's house, and I think that's the nicest thing we have.
Wow. So this one are called papuche.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is what they wear for the
Cold winters,
for the
like
cold
back in the
winter.
day.
That one right there is Skanderbeg.
Yeah.
So this is Skanderbeg.
Yeah.
That was the hero, the national
yeah.
hero here in Albania, and
Yeah.
that was his castle when he came back from Turkey during the Ottoman Empire.
Yeah.
So this is the Albanian that they call Skanderbeg.
Yeah. Oh, let me hold it because Albanians, we are very proud of this.
Yeah, it's very good. I tried 3 days ago. It's very, very, very nice, very soft when you drink it. And the amazing thing is the price is super cheap, super cheap. In fact, I believe it's the cheapest drink they have, but you can get drunk really fast. It's really good. So this right here is the bazaar. It's a very traditional bazaar with the old structure. You can see all the traditional clothes and all the traditional racks that have the floor. You can have obviously souvenirs and everything related to Albania, Skanderbeg, the drinks, even the backpacks with the old design.
I want to show you something.
Mm-hmm.
Do you think those over there, they look like guitars? But we call them chiftelia.
Chiftelia.
Yeah. Most of our traditional songs, like the old men, they used to play it with that. In this place? In Kruje. Yeah, in Kruje. Yeah. So they have those different sizes. I don't.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a very traditional instrument.
But this one is just as a souvenir. It's not as an instrument that you buy it, right? That's for decoration.
Yeah, you can use it also.
As an instrument?
Yeah, just if you want, if you know how to play it, yeah, you can use it. This is just a souvenir.
Okay. That's very nice. Yeah, you have here the alcohol, the brandy, the rakia as well. You have Mother Teresa over there. But they don't have a Dua Lipa. Today we chose the best day to come because today is Albania's Independence Day. Fun. Yeah. I don't know why, but every single castle here in Albania has these thingies at the entrance. Probably wants to park the horses. Ha! This is how the rap was invented here in Albania.
The guy was basically saying that I'm old and I don't have a voice anymore, but he used to sing very good when he was young, so he was just trying his best.
I can rap like that too. Go and buy me one. I wanna do that. This is gonna be my new job. The Kruje Castle is a magnificent fortress that witnessed the bravery of one of Albania's greatest heroes, Skanderbeg. This castle is a fascinating historical site that dates back to the 4th century BC. But its most exciting chapter began in the 15th century when Skanderbeg and his troops defended it against the Ottoman Empire's invasion. The castle was a centerpiece of Albania's resistance, and Skanderbeg's leadership inspired the people to fight for their freedom. As you wander through the castle, you'll feel the weight of history on your shoulders. You can almost imagine Skanderbeg and his soldiers fighting fiercely to keep the invaders at bay. The walls, towers, and courtyards all bear witness to this epic struggle. To learn more about the remarkable hero, you need to head to the Skanderbeg Museum inside the castle. You will discover his life history, his battles, and the legacy that he left for Albania and beyond. So take a look inside Kruje Castle and the inspiring history of Skanderbeg, and let's celebrate the courage of those who fought for the nation's independence. So Skanderbeg say, I did not bring your freedom, but I found it among you. I did not load your weapons, but I found you armed. You have freedom everywhere, at the forefront on swords and spears. One was the Illyrian soldiers.
Did you leave your print?
No, not yet.
In the book?
I will.
Proud Shqiptar.
So we're in this nice restaurant called Bardi, which is next to the castle here in Kruje. This is a plate only for me, and then we're waiting for Monika's order and my Viera's order to see.
But look how nice it looks. It has the map of Albania.
Ah, really?
Yeah. Yep.
Huh.
That's why I ordered this.
Oh, that's so nice. Can I eat tirana?
You can eat lucia or vlor.
Okay, that's so nice.
And the view from here is just amazing.
You can see the entire valley from here. Yeah, this is priceless. Can't get better than this. So next time you're hungry, don't order when you're with Monika. Because besides Albania, they brought Europe right there. Look at that.
You see like this T-bone.
Wow, that's a nice T-bone.
Yeah, it's from Asbil. It's not Salve T-bone.
Nice.
Se kujdes se bëhet në sreti, kështu që unë.
Yeah, so not only Salve.
Yeah. I was thinking that. Wow. Very nice.
Bon appetit.
Faleminderit.
Faleminderit shumë.
So we're tummy very full, a little bit cold. We're leaving this beautiful place. It's a must if you come to Albania, guys. You must take the castle.
Also, restaurant Bardi, it's a must. It was recommended to us and it was totally worth it.
The view is amazing. The food is unreal, guys. That portion is like, just to let you know, if you come with 3 or 4 people, just ask a portion for 2 because it's too much food.
Yeah, we ordered for 3 and I promise you 5 people could eat there.
Yeah, it was too much, but it's really good because the quality is really amazing too. So yeah, we're gonna keep walking into the city, but guys, if you go to Albania, don't forget to go to Kruje. It's a must. That castle is gorgeous and the restaurant, view, market, everything is 10 out of 10.